Jai Hind student. Today I'm going to tell you how national income or increment of GDP indicates social welfare. So as you all know that whenever the total productivity is increasing in the economy, it shows that the total growth rate is increasing, GDP is increasing because it directly related to the production. But it doesn't shows the right indication of social welfare. Why? Because every increment may be in a different way. Suppose इकोनॉमी में अगर प्रोडक्शन बढ़ रहा है, चाहे वो प्रोडक्शन किसी भी सेक्टर में हो, वेदर इट इज़ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर और एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर और इन सर्विस सेक्टर, हाउ द इंटरप्रेन्योर, हाउ प्रोड्यूसर इज इंक्रीजिंग टोटल प्रोडक्शन, इट मैटर्स. सपोज कि if the production is increasing with the utilization of child labor, so it is in one hand you can see if worker is working child with the utilization of so many natural resources or so many factor of production, definitely total productivity will increase, but it is not the right indication of social welfare. As you know that child labor is banned in our economy. अगर हम छोटे बच्चों का 18 साल से जो कम के बच्चे हैं उनका यूज़ करते हैं तो एक तरफ तो प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो रहा है जो हमें दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ अगर हम इसे आप कहते हैं कि सोशल वेलफेयर को क्रिएट कर रहा है तो इट इज़ नॉट ट्रुथ. ओके, दूसरा आता है कि if the more lady worker or the pregnant lady or the whenever we are using as a lady worker beyond their limit, ठीक है, so it is also not the indication of social welfare. Next, number 3 is you can see like the wage rate is decided. The minimum wage rate has been decided by every economy. So the minimum wage rate is decided. If any entrepreneur is giving less wage rate and try to increase total productivity, so in one hand total productivity is increasing, GDP is increasing, national income will increase definitely, but in another hand the total social welfare will not going to be increased. So it is also very important that we should analyze that how the total productivity is increasing. Next point will be like the 8-hour working, the days and the hours of working labor is fixed. See, when people are doing extra work or part time job or part time work, तो उसमें क्या होता है, then people have to, the producer is giving something, producer is giving some benefit for that. Okay, but if producer is not giving the part time reward for their factor of production, so it is not shows the right indication of social welfare. तो ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जो आप काम करने के जो घंटे आपने डिसाइड किए हैं अपने फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन के लिए, वो भी आप उससे ज़्यादा यूज़ ना करें. अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं और उसे कोई बेनिफिट नहीं देते हैं तो एक तरफ तो आप प्रोडक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज़ कर रहे हैं, जीडीपी को इंक्रीज़ कर रहे हैं, बट इन अनदर हैंड द सोशल वेलफेयर इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीज. सो देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स, एंड रिमेंबर the factor of production doesn't mean only the labor. There are so many factor of production, 5 factor of productions are there. So every factor of production are equally important, are equally important for the production. So we have to see that every increase of production, every increase of total gross domestic product or GDP, it's not every time it's not the indication of social welfare.